Excuse me, sir.
Yes, what can I help for you, sir?
Sorry, but can I bother you for a minute? Could I help me find the book name Eclipse?
Oh, sure, come in. Here is the book that you are looking for.
Wow, perfect. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
How can I how can I borrow this book?
Just go to the librarian there. He can help you. Don't forget to bring your student card.
Well, okay, thank you.
It's okay, Tito. You can continue your business. Okay, thank you. See you.